welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can find out who stole your phone and where it is with this very intelligent app we have here. So what you want to do first is you want to open up your Play Store and you want to search for Crook Catcher. Okay? And you want to go ahead and install this app. So Crook Catcher is basically this app that will send you an email with the location and picture of whoever tries to unlock your phone and fails. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to open up this app and we want to click on Start Setup. Now here you can change how many times the person has to fail opening your device before it sends you a picture. So I'm just going to set it to 1 default. Now you want to give it camera access, allow it while using the app. Next, location, again precise and while using the app. And then it's going to ask you if you want to use it in the background. You want to allow it so that whenever it is able to locate you. Then your email access, where it's going to send the email. Now I just want to select which email you want to use here. And there we go, our email. Next, notifications, you want to allow it. And battery optimization, so that it works even when you're at low battery. And now you can click the Activate Now button to activate it. Here you want to click on Activate. And there you go, all set. Now you can click Take Me to the app. This is the app. Most of the basic settings. Okay, you can change in different things, what emails, devices, stuff like that. But here I want to test it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this app. Okay, I'm going to close my phone, open it up again, and I'm going to type in the wrong password on purpose. You can't see this because of reasons, but I'm just going to keep doing this. And as you can see, I see my camera is on. And you can hear the notification sound. So I'm going to open it up and there you go. At the top you can see 3 new crooks. And it has a picture of who was doing it. Now obviously this is me. Now if we go to our email, we should see alert, alert, someone tried to use it. And then here we have the address and stuff. Okay. So, there we go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all next time.